absolutely love my affectionate friend. But I didn't always like or even tolerate her touch. I used to absolutely despise any form of affection, especially if it's from strangers, but even with family members, I would always lean away. But then my soon-to-be friend decided that I was, one, going to be her friend, and two, that I was going to be her new object of affection. Fast forward to now, and I tolerate and sometimes even like her affection. And her being my friend has made it infinitely easier to have conversations with people and enjoy it. So I'm very grateful to Vivi for giving me social skills.